What's good, Love Life Crew? It's your boy MUSA, back with another video. Today we got another suggestion from the Twitch, the Twitch. We live and that. Let's check it out. Let's see what it's saying. Has it got a sauce? Has it got a flavor? All that goodness. It's a quick one. It's only under 2 minutes, so let's check it out. I like Bi. She's awesome. Wait. Is this is Bi? Wait. Who's the other Bi then? What's the female rapper one? What's her name? I'm bugging. Am I bugging or am I bugging? What's the female rapper? Is her name Bi as well? There can't be two of Bi's. I'm waiting on chat right now. Chat. Who's the other? What's her name? Is it not Bi as well? Or am I bugging? I'm having one of them 4 a.m. relapses, bruv. I swear there's another artist called Bi, female. What's her name? BB. There you go. Shit, I'm bugging. When I saw Bi, I was like, Bi, female rapper? Is that her? BB, that's her name. Yeah, she different. She different. But yeah, let's check this out. My bad. Yo, my bad. I saw Bi and then that's what I thought it was. But let's carry it.
내 이름은 괴물, 내 이름은 죄인, 내 이름은 위선자, 내 이름은 pain. 빌어먹을 죄는 내 이름은 나 아니면 누가 그래 누가 기억해. I got a lot of pain. 인생은 새노래 끝이 없는 거네. 마음속에 공백을 채워가는 요인. 부끄러운 과거 전부 씻어내면 씻어질 수 있기를 하늘에 빌어보네. 손에 쥐고 있던 모든 걸 내려놓고 나서야 피가 제대로 통해. 고백 담아놨던 모든 것을 꺼내. 바다를 닮은 눈물색을 입 밖으로 토해. Waterfall 춤을 추는 waterfall. 하늘 위를 나는 듯이 떨어져.
Hold up, my man's saucing it up, bruv. Shit. My man on that bolognese sauce, that chili con carne and shit.
내 이름은 죄인, 내 이름은 위선자, 내 이름은 pain. 빌어먹을 죄는 내 이름은 나 아니면 누가 그래 누가 기억해. I got a lot of pain. 인생은 새노래 끝이 없는 거네. 마음속에 공백을 채워가는 요인. 부끄러운 과거 전부 씻어내면 씻어질 수 있기를 하늘에 빌어보네. 손에 쥐고 있던 모든 걸 내려놓고 나서야 피가 제대로 통해. 고백 담아놨던 모든 것을 꺼내. 바다를 닮은 눈물색을 입 밖으로 토해. Waterfall 춤을 추는 waterfall.
That Waterfall movie is disgusting.
내 바다를 닮은 눈물색을 입 밖으로 토해. Waterfall 춤을 추는 waterfall. 하늘 위를 나는 듯이 떨어져. I'm a waterfall 춤을 추는 waterfall. 하늘 위를
My man is moving like water.
나는 듯이 떨어져.
There was no need to pull your crutch like that though, still.
하늘 위를 나는 듯이 떨어져.
My man grabbed the whole package, bro. Huh? Hey!
고마운 나의 사람들 생의 모든 인연 생의 모든 기억 어쩌면 그건 다 기적 마음을 다 내려놓고 머릿속도 비워 치열했던 시간들과 따가웠던 시선 소리치던 내 목소리 코맹맹이 비어 헝클어진 머리카락처럼 엉켜있는 감정 빗어내고 나가야지 떨어짐과 동시에 새롭게 시작하는 폭포 That's me.
What we got here? Yeah, was also leader of our icon. Okay, separate from the group. Damn, they really did him like that. But he has got that icon energy though. Now you say it, it doesn't even surprise me. You know what I mean? Him and Bobby must have been on some dumb shit. Oof, smooth. Dang. Huh? The song also goes dumb. The song goes stupid. Yeah, he got that sauce. He got that sauce. My man was on that guacamole type of sauce. This guy come here with that salsa and that. He came with it. He weren't doing no ketchup, mayonnaise, them basic sauces. My man came with it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this reaction. If you did, smash the thumbs up, new to my channel, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Love life, love life, love life. Peace.